Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is very clearly a wave A. Definitely three waves down, looks like a wave B. And I also think this is extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3, which means we're probably going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off what I think is a wave C. So I personally think on the monthly time frame, this is probably not going to actually make an end of a trend for anywhere from like 6, 8 months to maybe a year, year and a half. So keeping that in mind, heading down to the weekly time frame, still looks like we could be getting close to ending a wave 3, and I do see subdivisions in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So it still looks like it possibly could end a wave 3 at some point, but there's really nothing stopping this from going up to the fib extension level, then starting the big wave 4, then going back up and making a wave 5. We definitely do not have a breaker structure to the downside. We definitely do not have a lower high. Definitely do not have a Fibonacci bounce. The trend for me is definitely still up on the much higher time frames. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, this move up is looking very impulsive. I suspect that this potentially could just keep on going up. I do suspect that it could just go up and touch this 100% level before it actually does go down. Now, like I've been saying for a few weeks now, I mean, this could be an A, this could be a B, and it potentially could go down for a wave C pretty easily, maybe even ending this wave 3 on the higher time frames. But I would have to see pretty good evidence before I would turn into a seller on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did get a pretty good little impulsive move down today. Does look like a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, but I would have to see a break of structure. Like I always say, I need to see that 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure. If I do see that, then that is definitely going to turn me into a seller, and I will definitely start looking for sells at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely did make an impulsive move down today, but we still don't have a break of structure. This could easily make another higher low and just keep on going up, which is why I am not looking for sells yet. Now on today we do have CPI news, and if it does go down today, if it does break and hold below the wave 4 structure, that is what would turn me into a seller, not right away, but at the end of the pullbacks is where I would start looking for sells for the continuation of the downtrend if it does go down and break this structure, which like I said, it really does not have to. It could easily make another lower high or another higher low, and it could easily just keep on trending up. So definitely be very cautious sorting the yen pairs. Like I keep saying, the yen pairs are in a 4 year uptrend. There's really nothing stopping this from being a 5 year or even a 6 year uptrend. So definitely be very cautious on the sorts. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to join or check out my membership program, which gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.